am grade 6 at present day primary school. I live in West May village Rampai Mông, Khaminyun, Trang district, Takaya province. I was born in 2015. My favorite food is Khmer noodle. When I have free time, I like playing football. My father named Iwata. He is 42 years old. He is thick at Sóc An present day primary school. He is a teacher. He lives in Sunday village, Praislap, Khaminyun, Trang district, Takao province. My father favorite food is apple. When he has all free time, he likes playing football. My mother's name is Raidat. She is 35 years old. She is a seller. She lives in West May village, Rampai Mông, Khaminyun, Trang district, Takao province. My mother favorite food is sandwich. When she has free time, she likes go to the gym. The future, I want to be a dentist.